This morning, health professionals from across the state are providing Texas leaders with some new tools and resources to keep you healthy. They're here for what's called It's Time Texas Summit. And one of the summit speakers is Dr. Ernest Hawk with MD Anderson. Good morning, doctor. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Pleasure to be with you.
All right, so I really thought that it might be best to put this into perspective for us and kind of talk a little bit about how big of a problem cancer is in the state of Texas.
Cancer is an enormous problem, particularly in subsets of the population who don't have ready access to care. Many of the minority groups as well as lower socioeconomic status, but really it affects most all families in Texas at one point or another, unfortunately.
And one of the biggest things we talk about is prevention. How do we prevent something like this? So what do you think that local governments do, I guess, to really encourage cancer prevention here?
Well, there are a whole variety of things that local governments can do, from policies to public education initiatives, even service delivery. The important thing, however, is to coordinate actions of government with those of employers, community organizations, and that's why a conference like today's is so important.
And let's talk about today's summit. What are some of the topics that you guys are going to be going over, just to give people a better idea of what you'll be talking about there?
Well, we'll be covering all aspects of a healthy lifestyle. Avoiding tobacco, probably still the leading preventable cause of death and suffering in our population, but also promotion of healthy diet, increasing fruits and vegetables, getting adequate amounts of physical activity, avoiding excessive sun exposure. All of these things have a very direct impact